Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make these two different kinds of toners, the hydrating cucumber toner and anti-aging rice toner. Let's begin with the cucumber toner. Simply take some grated cucumber and extract the juice. Cucumber is packed with water, making it a fantastic hydrator for thirsty skin. It gently tightens the pores, tones the skin and helps regulate oil production, making it great for oily, acne-prone skin. Add half a teaspoon of glycerin and half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix everything together. Pour in a spray bottle and use it every morning and night for best results. Don't forget to follow it up with your favorite moisturizer. Since it's made with fresh ingredients, it is best to store it in refrigerator to prolong its shelf life. It can last up to a week. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For the rice toner, take a 1/4 cup of rice and wash them thoroughly. Discard all the water, then soak the rice with half a cup of filtered water and let it sit for 48 hours. After 48 hours, strain the rice and collect the water in a clean container. Rice water contains antioxidants that help fight free radicals, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and promoting youthful-looking skin. Add half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel and few drops of vitamin E oil. These two things are completely optional. You can use rice water on its own. Mix everything together, transfer it to a spray bottle and store in refrigerator. Spray it 2 to 3 times a day for radiant glass skin. Subscribe for more such videos.